Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the February 2023 Potomac Beads Best Bead Box. This is the Treasure Edition. So I am very excited to show you guys what all comes in this. I put the paper over here, let's grab that. So this is it says, "Love is in the air with this February treasure box. Mix warm reds, pinks, purples, and garnets to create handmade jewelry pieces everyone will lust over." So we definitely have a Valentine's theme here. So I can't wait to show you guys everything that's in this box, so stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. So this box actually has 20 items in it. So we're going to go through each of those. So the first one here, and now last month when I went through these, I kind of had a little difficulty figuring out what some of them were. So this month I went through them and I put them in order first. So there's no confusion. All right, so first up we have some metal spacer beads. They are 3 by 2 millimeters. So these are little teeny tiny guys. Just look like basically silver balls, but they're flattened. They're like little flattened silver balls. I can't pick that guy up. He just lives there now. So you can see we have tiny little ones, and there's a pretty good amount there. So I like those little guys. They're fun. All right. So then up next, we have plated eye pins. They're 2 inches, so they are silver plated. And on here it says that they are actually 21G premium 99.9% silver plated. And they're 51 millimeters long, so that's long. It's a pack of 36. So these are actually really nice and shiny. These are some good looking eye pins. So by eye it means because it has the eye here and it's not a head pin. It doesn't have the flat end on there. So that is the second item here that we received. So then up next, now these next two I am not going to dump out because they are teeny tiny little seed beads. So these are 8/0 Miyuki seed beads. So the good thing about the Miyukis is that they are uniform in size. So these are really great for bead weaving and especially like doing loom work because they're all uniform. So you know that the rows are all going to lay out the same. And then we have these here, the Miyuki seed beads in an 11/0. So these are really pretty. I really like this. It's like a kind of like a rose pink, and then this is more of a bright pink. It's very nice. Up next we have plated daisy spacers. Always like using some nice daisy spacers. So here are these. Looks like there's maybe about 20 of them there. I didn't actually count them. That was a quick guess. 5, 10, 15. Oh, maybe about 18 of them. Still a good amount there. All right. And then up next we have Czech glass faceted rounds in 6 millimeter. These are really nice. Oops, I jumped. Let's see if you can see the color variation on there. Those are really nice. I like the faceting where the light catches on there. Up next we have the Czech glass faceted rounds in 3 millimeter. So these have really nice color variation. You got some gold, you got some silver, you got like the garnet red. So those are nice. And then with it being the gold and the silver, that could go with any kind of, either gold or silver metal findings. So it's a good way to mix them up there. Now this next one, it says a dichro beads. So I'm going to assume it's just because of this chrome type plating on there with the stars. It looks like it's in gold and silver also. So I've never heard of dichro beads before, so this was fun. This side actually is more silver than the other side. The other side has more of that gold in the middle. But it was nice. It's drilled from the top through. So that's nice. Make a really pretty pendant. Up next we have Potomac pearls, 4 millimeter. And I'm assuming it's a, well, it says Fandango. I'm assuming that's the color. It's an 8-inch strand. So these are really pretty pink. I like that pink color. Actually, they're very similar with these here. So pretty much about the same color. But this pink pretty much goes with any of these other pinks, especially this darker one there. Those are nice. Pretty pearls. Now these next beads, these are my favorite out of the whole box here, and these are matte mermaid glass rounds in 6mm size. So here's the bag for that. Actually, it says they're in lavender, which they're definitely not pink. That is so pretty. Look at the flash in there. Isn't that really cool? I love mermaid beads with that flash in there like that. A while back I made a whole mermaid collection using a lot of these kinds of beads. I really like those. These are my favorite. Alright, so up next we have a pewter button. So there's the back of it. Flip it over and there's the front. So you can see it's got a nice little flower design on there. It's fun. Alright, and then next we have a lucite flower mix. I'm excited that we got some mixes. I'm just going to open them up, but there's a lot in there. I don't want them to go flying. So these are actually in a sealed bag. I haven't seen any bags like this before, so this was new to me. I like it though. Got some good colors in there. Got some pinks, purple, a couple of blues. Those are fun. I like those a lot. And then they are drilled. How are they drilled? They're drilled side to side, so not like through the middle. So those would be nice. Make some daisy chains. I don't know if those would be considered daisies. I'm guessing. Alright, up next we have another assortment. This is a Czech glass assortment. You can see we got some pink, look like faceted kind of cubes in there. Some little red hearts. What else we got? More little hearts. These little clear rounds. Some bicones, bigger bicones in there. So we got a nice mix there. That's really nice. I like this mix. That's gonna turn into something cute. Up next we have 4mm Potomac crystal bicones in tanzanite. So these are nice. I like these bicones. Look at how sparkly that is. Oh, sparkly. I like that. Those are really pretty. Nice purple color. So we've got lots of purples and pinks. And then up next we have some Czech glass hearts. Look at that. They're blue. So we have a nice color palette going on here. You can see the variation. They got some banding in those hearts there. So those are nice. I like those. Oops, put them in my bicones here. So what do we get? We got about 12 of those. Up next we have Potomac crystal rounds in 3mm. So these are in a rose AB. So they are faceted rounds. Look at the sparkle on that. That's very sparkly. Oh, I'm dropping them. I'll put them right up here. There you go. I don't want to lose any. Alright, so then up next we have these, and on the paper it just says gemstone nuggets. To me, I believe these to be dyed coral bamboo. I've worked with some of these before. That's really what I would say these are. If you got this subscription and you got something different, let me know what you got. But that's what I would say this is. Dyed coral bamboo. Or dyed bamboo coral. Yeah, dyed bamboo coral. That's what it's called. That was close. I was just going a little dyslexic on it there for a second. Alright, so then up next we have these pewter flower beads. So these are fun. I like that they're a pewter color and not like a bright shiny silver. So it looks like we got about 10 of those. And they are drilled side to side. We got a pretty big hole on those. So those are nice. Alright, 2 more things left here, and these are unusual things and I really enjoy them. So this next one is waxed linen cord, which is really great for making knotted, natural looking pieces. So I really like that. Doesn't say how long it is. Does it say on here? It says it's 1 millimeter thick. It doesn't say how much there is on this spool here. But I really like this. I'm definitely going to do some kind of knotted something, necklace or bracelet, something. And then last, which is really awesome, it's a pen. It says Potomac Beads on there, and it's a red pen. So I think this is fun. I like that they're including some unusual things. Last month it was the canvas bag. Now this month we got a pen. So these are fun things to add into your craft space. Things that you're gonna, be able to use as you, start working with your things, and, not just all jewelry things, but things for, you to use also. So I really like that. Alright, so this was the February 2023 treasure subscription of the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box, the February treasure box. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed everything. I can't wait to show you guys what all I come up with. I'm excited to work with all of these. And I hope you enjoy what I come up with, and I will do a finished jewelry video later on in the month, and I may or may not do some sort of tutorial, and if I do, it's probably going to involve this, so we'll see what I come up with. Alright, let me know if there's anything that you have in mind that you want to see me do a tutorial with, and I can also work with that. So, thank you, have a great night!